Optimizing Amazon sales with these top Amazon repricing software. Picture this. You're selling on Amazon, and a competitor lowers their price. One of these vital tools is Amazon repricing software, which enables sellers to adjust prices automatically based on competitor prices, inventory, and sales history. The best Amazon repricing software for 2023. 1. Seller Snap. Services. AI Amazon Repricer, AI Amazon Business Repricer, Custom Repricing Strategies, Seller Analytics, Profit Calculation, Wholesale Bulk Analysis, Amazon Seller Education. Its AI Business Repricer tailors the optimal approach for each listing, maximizing profits and avoiding price wars. 2. Aura. Provides comprehensive price history tracking, monitoring, and reporting on price changes, competitor pricing, and valuable metrics. In maintenance mode, Aura automatically adjusts prices to match the next lowest eligible offer after winning the buy box. 3. Informed. Channels. Amazon, Walmart, eBay, Google Shopping, Jet, Sears, Target, Wayfair, Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento. 4. Be Cool. 5. Seller Republic. 6. Repricer.com. You can also analyze your sales volume, buy box, and profit margin by marketplace. 7. Reprice Express. 8. Feedvisor. Feedvisor's Amazon repricing software uses AI and machine learning to help Amazon FBA and FBM sellers optimize their pricing strategy and increase their chances of winning the buy box. Why use Amazon repricer software? Repricers enhance profit margins by automatically adapting prices in real time, ensuring accurate pricing amidst market fluctuations.